Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic role of communication in management. Introduction. Communication is the cornerstone of effective management. It allows managers to share information, give instructions, build relationships, and motivate their employees. Without effective communication, it is impossible to achieve organizational goals. Types of communication. There are three main types of communication. Verbal communication. This includes spoken words, tone of voice, and inflection. It is the most common type of communication in the workplace. Nonverbal communication. This includes body language, facial expressions, and eye contact. It can often communicate more than words alone. Written communication. This includes emails, letters, reports, and memos. It is a good way to communicate complex information or to document decisions. Communication channels. Managers can use a variety of communication channels to reach their employees, including face to face meeting. This is the best way to build relationship and share complex information. Phone calls. This is a good way to have a quick conversation or to give feedback. Emails. This is a good way to communicate with a large group of people or to document decisions. Instant messaging. This is a good way to have a quick conversations or to ask a question. Social media. This is a good way to share information with a large audience or to promote your organization. Importance of effective communication. Effective communication is important for a number of reasons, including increased productivity. When employees understand their goals and expectations, they are more likely to be productive. Improved morale. Communications that is open and honest can help to build trust and respect between managers and employees. Reduced conflict. Clear communication can help to prevent misunderstanding and conflict. Enhanced decision making. Communications allows managers to gather input from employees and make informed decisions. Stronger customer relationship. Effective communication with customer can help to build positive relationship and increase sales. Strategies for effective communications. There are a number of things that managers can do to improve their communication skills, including active listening. This means paying attention to what the other person is saying, both verbally and non verbally. Clear and concise communications. Managers should be clear and concise in their communications to avoid misunderstanding. Empathy. Managers should try to understand the other person's perspective. Feedback. Managers should provide regular feedback to their employees. Openness to communications. Managers should create an environment where employees feel comfortable communicating with them. Communications in Management Overview. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.